Today we're shopping at Dollar Tree and there's so many great items, I can't wait to show you. Dollar Tree finally got glass pantry organization and it's so good, you guys. These two containers are gonna be perfect in your pantry. This larger one is $7 and this one is $5 and it's got the really airtight lid on it. They also have a glass drink dispenser for $7. And then this jar right here is a larger version of their smaller one. This one's priced at $5. Finally, my store has the Snackle boxes back in stock and they're in 3 different colors. Do you guys remember these? I got them and I put a bunch of snacks in them. They're priced at $6. You can get a white one. They also have it in tan and there's a green color. You know how much I love the Dollar Tree hand sanitizers, and I also really appreciate that they come out with hand sanitizer cases that match all of the new scents. Now, if you're looking for the current new scents at Dollar Tree, this is what they look like. There's a light pink and a light blue. They're limited edition and they come in 2 new scents. They have the Lotus Blossom scent and then they also have the Cherry Blossom scent. And if you're lucky enough to also find the matching cases, you can put them in a case that matches, or they kind of look cute in, like, you could put the light pink one in a blue case as well. I've noticed that Dollar Tree has done a little bit better at stocking hand sanitizers in the stores that I go to, so hopefully you're able to find them in your area. This is what I'm talking about, you guys. Look at all these hand sanitizers that are at my store. They also have the hand wipes over here. Those are great to put on your bag so you can get to them really easily. I got another order in from Wild Grain, and I want to thank Wild Grain for sponsoring today's video. Now, if you're not familiar with Wild Grain, they're the first Bake from Frozen subscription box for sourdough breads, artisanal pastries, and fresh pastas. Wild Grain partners with small bakers and pasta makers across the country. Let me show you what I got in my order. All right, I've had these before, absolutely love them. These are the ham and cheese foldovers. These are a household favorite, the chocolate croissants. A loaf of sourdough bread. We always add in one of these chocolate chunk cookies. These are gigantic and so good. The Wild Grain plain biscuits. If you haven't tried the churned French butter, it's so good. And of course, every box comes with free croissants. Now, if you're not good at baking, don't worry about it, because all of the directions are really simple and they're on the back. Today, we're gonna make the ham and cheese foldovers. What I love about Wild Grain is you can bake everything from frozen in 25 minutes or less. Wild Grain also has gluten-free, vegan, and a new protein box option. Unlike store-bought options, Wild Grain uses simple ingredients that you can pronounce. And they also use a slow fermentation process. There's no preservatives and no shortcuts. Now, most of the bread that you order from Wild Grain will go directly on the oven rack, but these and some of the cookies you'll put in a pan with parchment paper. We're gonna put these in the oven for around 24 minutes. Wild Grain is consistently adding seasonal products and new products, so there's always exciting selections to choose from. These look so good. Now, I already know these are good, but I cannot wait to try it out again. With every box ordered, you can donate 2 meals to a food security nonprofit of your choice at no extra cost. So good. If you want to check out Wild Grain, and I definitely think you should, be sure to click the link down in the description box and use my code LizFenwick to get $30 off your first box. Plus, you get free croissants for life. I'm so excited about Dollar Tree's new line of kitchenware. Now, I showed you this in our last Shop With Me video. This is their bamboo cutting board that's priced at $5. My store actually has several of them. They also have these other kitchenware items, like we have this large mixing bowl, also this colander, and they have several different pan options, including a larger pizza pan for $7. Let me show you a hack you could do with a pizza pan. You're going to need to pick up this Walmart planter. It comes in a bunch of colors. There's like a white, a black, and a blue. I was only able to find the blue one. You're also going to need to get from Walmart a pizza pan. Now, if you don't pick up the color you like, you can always spray paint these. So I spray painted my planter and my pizza pan with 2 coats of a matte black spray paint. You want to just cover each side completely. All you're going to do to create your side table is to place your pizza pan on top. So there's 2 options. You can either glue your pizza pan down and create a nice outside table, or don't glue it and you can create storage where you can throw your outdoor pillows inside. I always like to check over here in the travel section. You guys, this is a dupe for the mini Venus razor. This is like $10 on Amazon. You're gonna save $9 here. And it even comes with the case. This is perfect for travel. I'll get it and open it up and show you what it looks like. Outside of trying this razor, this looks like such a good dupe for this travel razor, you guys. First of all, it comes with a case and it has little holes down here. So when you're traveling, you can put this directly in your shower and you have a cover for your razor. Plus, when it's in your bag, it's not gonna take up a lot of room, but it's got the nice grip that the other one has. So as long as it's a good razor, I feel like this is going to be so great to have. My store is stocked with the Easter bog bag dupes. There's so many of them. These are gonna go so fast this year. If you're not familiar with these, they look like a bog bag, and each of them come with charms that you can put in the front. My store also has these in 4 different colors. There's a pink and purple. There's also a green and blue. Now, if you're looking for these at your store, keep checking back because my store just said that they got in a huge shipment of these. Here's what it looks like with the 4 charms, but if you had any other croc charms, you could put those in here as well. I'm always happy to see larger canvas here at Dollar Tree. This one is a 12 by 16 and it's actually in a 2-pack. Now the price for these are $3, so you're gonna be spending about $1.50 each. I don't know if it's the time of year, but my store is pretty cleared out with their vases. This is a new one though I haven't seen before. It's a blue vase and clear. It's actually pretty neat. I'm not sure on the price. Let's go scan it. Okay, what's your guess? My guess is $3. Let's see.
I'm gonna say 5.
Delaney was right. $5. I feel like that's not worth it. We could DIY this, guys, for $5. But if you have any of these vases at your house, let me show you a cool DIY you can do with them. We're gonna be using a vase from Dollar Tree and a window cling that I got on Amazon. I laid it out on my table. You wanna determine how much you need to cover your vase, and then you want to cut a straight line across. After I cut out the ones that I wanted, I needed to figure out, okay, what design do I wanna use? I really like the triangles at the top, so I cut those out, making sure that I kept those black lines. Now, window cling is a little bit different. You're actually gonna put it on with water. So the directions said, pull off the backing piece that had the smooth side. So I did that. Then I got out my squirt bottle and sprayed water on the window cling as well as my vase. Then I just simply wrapped it around. Once the ends met, I just cut them off so that I had a straight edge. From there, all you have to do is try to remove all of the air bubbles. It will cling to your vase like it would a window. That's really all I had to do, and I decided to style this with these pink tulips that I ordered from Amazon. I will say I did order 2 bundles of the pink tulips, so if you're ordering those as well and you want the same fullness, go ahead and order 2. And here's how it looks in my home. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of comments that you guys aren't seeing all of my YouTube videos in your feed. The best way to see my videos is to subscribe to our channel. If you hit that subscribe button, our new videos will pop up in your feed. I love it when I walk into a stock section here at Dollar Tree. Check out this Easter section. Now, these are new items I haven't seen before. They're salt and pepper shakers. You have 2 different options. They have these ceramic looking eggs. I really like this one. It's a little bunny and carrot. Plus you have all of the table covers, you have cups and plates. My favorites are these down here, the little bunnies. Let me show you a way you could style these little salt and pepper shakers. Now I got the bunny and the little carrot. I'm gonna start with the tray. This is one I got off of Amazon. If you're looking for the same one, I will put the QR code right here. You can scan it and it will take you directly to my tray. I just love the detail along the edge right here, and it's a good size for displaying on your countertop. I'm gonna add a few thrifted books. This is a blue bunny that they have out this year at Walmart, super adorable. And then these pink tulips, you can get these off of Amazon. I also have them in white, and I'm gonna put it in this vase. I have a few additional items from Walmart. This right here is in their home decor section. This was by My Texas House. Hopefully they still have it. I'll link it if I can find it, but I'm gonna add that egg in. And then over here, I'm just going to add on my salt and pepper shakers. Now, when you're looking for dupes, make sure you come back here to the cleaning section. I spotted a dupe for the Cauldria room spray. Now, that room spray is around $15. On other sites, you can get this here for $1.25 and it comes in 3 cents. They have Tangelo palm frond, lavender cedar leaf, and sweet pea. I also love that they have these nice spray pumps. Every time I'm here at Dollar Tree, I have to come over to the beauty section because they always have out new lines. Today is no exception. So they have this new Amber Glow line, and the packaging could not be more gorgeous. They have hand wipes. They have bath bombs. They have a textured spray. But the thing I'm most excited about is their new hair wax stick. I hope it's comparable to the one I have on Amazon. Let's try it out. So this is the product I was most excited about for the Amber Glow line. It's the hair wax slick stick. And I use this practically every day because if you look up here, I have all these like hairs that just stick up. And I have one off of Amazon that I use, but it's more expensive than this one. So let's try this guy out and see if it works. It has a twist at the bottom so you can twist it up to get more product, but it feels like a similar wax consistency. So what I like to do is just put it on any flyaways to kind of hold it in place. I mean, I feel like they're laying down pretty good. I've definitely laid my hairs down and it feels similar to my Amazon one, so let's save a little bit and get this one. Is this a dupe for Lush? I'm really not sure, but the logo looks so similar. This is a new line at Dollar Tree of body butters, and they come in 3 different scents. They have yuzu citrus, dragon fruit, and sweet melon. These jumbo eggs are always fun and they sell out fast. They're $5. They come in a bunch of colors. I really like the gold ones. I think those are cool. Now, if you're wanting even larger eggs, there's a 16-inch egg. It's clear, it's from Walmart, and that one is $7. It's perfect to convert into an Easter basket. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. Now, if you're wondering about my set that I'm wearing, it is from Amazon. And if you're thinking, I've seen Liz wear that in yellow, I have 2 of these. So I have a yellow one that's got royal blue on it. It's super cute. I also have the set in green. I love the green option as well. Honestly, it's so comfortable. I'm thinking about getting another one. I used to spend like $5 or $7 buying these spa headbands on Amazon. No, you can get them here at Dollar Tree for, I think, $1.25, maybe $1.50, who knows? But these are great. I put them on every morning and night when I'm washing my face or putting on my makeup. Now, Dollar Tree sells these touch control lamps. If you were to buy them on Amazon, they would be a lot more. Here at Dollar Tree, they're just $7. They have this white one, and my store also has a gold option. I always check to see what new solar lights they have out, and Dollar Tree usually comes out with a few new ones each year. This one is a new one. This is a solar cutout stake light, and you can see it's definitely a lot larger. The stake is in here, so you just pull it out, but I think that would be gorgeous at night. Dollar Tree has a new scouring sponge. Let's see if it works. This reminds me of the bamboo sponges that I used to use. I'm gonna try to clean my sink and see how well it does. If you're needing larger planters, Dollar Tree has this one. It comes in 2 different colors and it's $5. You can get a black one. They also have it in terracotta. There's a lot of Easter boxes over here at my store. I wanted to show you a few items you might want to pick up. These are Lego dupes here. If your kids are into Legos, these would be perfect to put in Easter baskets. They have a bunny and a rooster. They have really stepped up their game with their bunny-shaped containers, and I'm pretty sure they're only $1.50. These bunny-shaped egg containers are really cool. You can get them in a variety of colors. My store has so many right now. They also have these little egg containers here. I'm pretty sure you can pick these up for $1.50. They also have all of these larger sizes. Dollar Tree seems to be giving us reusable bags pretty much every holiday, and Easter is no exception. These little pastel ones are adorable. I love that bunny one, but you have several that you can choose from. This 4-piece of fabric gift bags would be really nice. They kind of look like Pottery Barn bags. These are similar to the ones that I just got off of Amazon. You just fill them with candy, add some ribbon, and you're good to go. If your kids are into squishies or Neatos, you may want to consider getting these pins. They have these little like squishy carrot pins. They also have the chicks. I think I'm gonna get the bunny. They also have these adorable jump ropes. They also have these colorful Easter stampers. I'm not sure how they work, so let's get them and try them out. Before you waste your money on these stamps, I thought I'd get them and try them out. I think these are pretty nice. So you get 8 of the stamps. There's 4 different options, so you'll get 2 of each in the pack, but you get an egg, a happy Easter, a bunny, and a chick. When you're shopping over in the makeup section, keep an eye out for the new Marie Claire Jelly nail polishes. They seem to be going really fast and they come in a lot of fun colors. How adorable are these little Bluey mugs? Don't forget about all the candy you can get here at Dollar Tree. My kids love Sour Patch Kids, and they have the little individual packs of bunnies. Now, when you're over in the beauty section, make sure you keep a lookout for these little end caps. These are the newest makeup items that Dollar Tree puts out. This is their newest line by Ioni. It's called Cherry on Top. Let me show you a few things that I think are gonna be really popular. First off, this shimmer setting spray is gonna be super popular. One item I wanna try is their Ultra Hold Brow Glue. I'm sure this is similar to a comparable one that you spend usually $5 on. Another one I want to try is this Hydrating Grip Primer. I've had pretty good luck with primers here at Dollar Tree, so I want to give this one a shot. They also have lip balms, they have shadow sticks, and then several different lip products from more lip balms, and these are called Soft Lip Veil. And the packaging is 10 out of 10. It couldn't be cuter. Dollar Tree has really put out so many new deodorants that are dupes for some of our favorites. Like this one is the Native dupe right here. This is another new one. I'm not sure what it's a dupe for, but it's aluminum free. It's called Pure Vitamin Infused. It comes in aloe and sea salt, and it also comes in vanilla and peach. There's also a new end cap called Dolce Vita. Now my store is pretty picked over, but there are still a few things. This one is bronzing drops, and then my store has cheek tints. I love trying out new cheek tints. I think I'm gonna pick up this one in the natural rose, but they also have a taupe cheek tint. Let me know down in the comments what you'll be picking up the next time you shop at Dollar Tree. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.